On X or Twitter, sometimes there are so many notifications, including ones related to news. If you want to get notifications for this kind of post, you can set that up. You can enable it in the settings. After that, you'll start receiving news-related notifications on X or Twitter. In this video, we'll show you how to enable that. First, open the X application. At the top, you'll see a profile button. Tap on it. When you do that, you'll see Settings and Support. Tap on it, and then select Settings and Privacy. Once you open that, you'll find an option called Notifications. Tap on Notifications. Inside that, you'll see Preferences. Tap on it. Then, select Push Notifications. When you scroll down, you'll find an option called News from X. Under that, you'll see two choices, one is News or Sports, and the other is First Look at New Features. If you want notifications about these topics, you can enable them. After that, you'll start receiving news-related notifications from X. So, that's how you can easily enable news notifications on X. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.